In this video, I just want to motivate a forex trader or a stock trader or a trader somewhere who is about to give up. I just want to motivate you, trader motivation. By the way, if you are new to this channel and you'd like to be notified when we post future videos, please do subscribe, please like the video. That's the only thing that I ever ask you to do. I don't sell you stuff. Everything that I give out on this channel is for free. If you are looking to download forex robots, forex books, indicators, tools and stuff that you need in your forex trading, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. So what you are looking at, of course, I previously showed you this, which for me is what I've settled on as the best trading system for me. Underline for me. It might not work for you the same way that Fibonacci does not work for me and it works for other people, but for me this is what works for me, and for me this is the best trading system in the world. You might disagree, but anyway. So basically you can see what I have here. Let me quickly do this. I have 1, 2, 3, I have 5 positions and 3 of them are certainly in profit. You can see that USD card is in profit. I took a sell there. GBP USD is currently in profit. I took a buy there. Let's see if we can reach this around this point, then I can consider what I would do with it. But hopefully we can continue going to these levels. The beauty of my style, again, we'll see if we can get to these levels and thereafter to this level. I was going to talk about the beauty. Unfortunately, on gold, I bought this as a mistake. Let me admit that I bought this as a mistake, but it's in profit. I was actually showing somebody something, and by mistake clicked buy. So that's how I ended up in a gold trade. On silver, I didn't want to play by my rules, but it seems like it's coming back. So yesterday, I'd seen a breakthrough here and I thought we were definitely going to go this way. Unfortunately, something happened. If you see what happened on gold, this is a huge spike, and this is daily time frame. You saw gold sold yesterday just like that. It just dumped everything. So that's also what happened with my silver trade, but it seems like we might recover somewhere, and then I'll decide whether to close it or whether we are going to go all this way. Euro USD, I had a position that I had here and I closed it somewhere around there. Again, this position I sold, but I never wanted to sell on that area. I was testing a robot that I was testing and it just sold. So anyway, we'll see what happens with that. So going back to the purpose of the video, just to motivate somebody out there who is about to give up on trading, and probably you have tried everything. And nothing has worked for you. My advice is, if this is truly what you want to do, don't give up. Go back to the drawing board. Go back to those notes. those losses, those blown accounts, you go into them and study what made you take losses. Your state of mind when you took those losses. Was it signals? Was it bad indicators? What was it? Was it a bad setup? How did you enter those trades? From there, you begin to actually start learning how to do the opposite next time. How to do the opposite next time. So the first point is to not give up if this is what you want to do for the rest of your life. If you have other things to do, then well, this is not the video for you. But if you want to be a trader for the rest of your life and you feel you want to be in this industry, but this industry has been hammering you left, right, and center, trust me, you are not alone. We have all been there. We have all been there. We have blown accounts, we have lost money, we have done all those things. Now, when we do these things, sometimes it feels like, wow, how did we get to this point? But it did not happen overnight. At least for me. At least for me, I've seen people who claim that they were consistently profitable traders after 3 months, after 6 months. For me, it took over 2 years to be consistently profitable. What would happen? I would be profitable with one account, the next one I would blow it. I'll be profitable with another account, maybe another two, the next one I would blow it, and stuff like that. So for some people, well, it was easy. I've seen people say 6 months, 3 months, they were already consistently profitable. So, well, good for them. So we've all been there. We have lost accounts, we've blown accounts, we've reached points where we thought, no, yeah, I cannot do this. I need to go and find a job. I need to go and do something else. I need to go, which is okay. Sometimes you have to make that hard decision. If this is not for you and you have decided that it's not for you, then good for you. And I hope you succeed in whatever you're going to pursue. But if you have been taking hits and you still feel that trading is for you, my advice is hang in there. Hang in there. I promise you, one day it will make sense. One day it will make sense. And one day you will look back over the years that you were not profitable and wonder what was happening. One day everything is just going to fall in place and it will make sense. Now, what you need to do to focus on is not focus on your losses. What you need to focus on is what have you been doing that resulted in the losses. Those losses are the key to you becoming a successful trader. Those losses, they have so much information that you can use in order to turn around your trading, in order to become a profitable trader. Secondly, you need to find things that work for you. I always give this example. On my videos. Guys, I've seen people making a killing with Fibonacci. I tried it, it never worked for me. What you need to do as a trader is find things that work for you. Every trader is different. We are different personalities. We are different people. And yet we are trying to play in the same market. So you find that, of course, your mentor or whoever is giving you your education, trades profitably in that way. But what you need to do is sometimes your personalities are not the same. So what is working for your mentor might not exactly work the same way for you in the markets because you are probably different personalities. Which is another tip. If you're going to find a mentor, find somebody who trades your style, who has your same kind of thinking. Don't if you want to be a swing trader, you'll find somebody who loves to scalp, or you probably have better success with supply and demand, and yet you are learning from somebody who relies so much on okay, my example, Fibonacci. So what you want to do is, from your mentor, take that education and make it yours. I think that's the other problem. Sometimes we just take whatever the mentor tells us and we just take it and we never make it ours. Now, when you go into the markets and the mentor is no longer there, then we start having problems. What you want to do is take that education, make it yours. That's where education becomes education. It's not the certificate, it's not the qualification. We can all have degrees, we can all have PhDs and stuff, but the real education comes when you are able to apply it in life, in real life situations. And then you find that the way that I apply my support, my supply and demand is unique to me, is definitely unique to me. And you'll find that the way the next trader, I don't know who is calling me. Okay, sorry about that. So what was I saying? I was saying you need to take the education, whatever that you have been learning over the years, and make it your own. It must apply to your particular style of trading, your personality. Are you a person who takes more risk? Are you like aggressive in the markets? Are you a person who doesn't like to expose themselves in the market? For example, with my strategy, you can see that this is a daily time frame. This is for our time frame, and that's weekly, that's monthly. You can already tell I enjoy playing on the higher time frames. I enjoy playing on the higher time frames. I used to scalp. I scalped a lot and I made a lot of money. But over the years, I started having many other things to focus my time on. I've got family. I've got business that I'm running. I've got skills that I'm trying to learn, like programming, coding, and stuff like that. So I no longer have that time to sit on my charts and scalp. No. So that's why I shifted to higher time frames. And I also noticed that the higher time frames have got also an advantage. For example, you can see my trading size there. I've not hidden it. You can see the trading size, the size of my position there on the higher time frames, because I am aiming for bigger movements. I'm aiming for bigger movements. I can place smaller lot sizes. Unlike a scalper, if I was scalping here, scalping the minute, definitely I would go in hard because I just want a small movement to make my money. I just want a small movement to make that cash. So you find me probably going with the whole of my account, just aiming for 5 pips, 10 pips, in, out. But now I now play on the bigger time frame. So basically, I'm just aiming for bigger moves. Now, the advantage of that is I can place smaller positions, and my risk to my account is smaller as well. And I can simply place my trades and walk away and go into my other things, my studies, my business, and stuff like that. And come in once a day to just check where the trade is going. Did I take a hit? Am I still in profit? What do I need to do? For example, here I am hoping that we can come to this level so that I can put my trade on break even. And as we continue going, if we continue going this way, then definitely I'm looking for opportunities to add on to my position and also protect those positions and stuff until we reach this zone. Simple enough. That's what's working for me, and trust me, this probably will not work for the next guy. But the key is find all this information and turn it into your own. Don't give up. Turn your losses into successes. Study how you lost. Why did you lose? The trades that you took. Next time, learn to avoid those trades, or at least learn to take the opposite direction when you see the same setup. That's how you can protect yourself and actually start seeing profits. So yeah, I just thought, let me motivate some traders out there who feel they're about to give up. This is an industry that they love, but it's not working for them. Again, leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. If you are looking for stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.